Duck Kennedy, back again. I hope you don't mind that we cover this lesson in my office. As always, here are my two French friends Claire and Jacques. If you missed any of the previous lessons, be sure to look for the link to the playlist below. Click the subscribe button above, and, as always, remember to speak out loud. Let's finish telling time up to midnight. Here is how to say 7 o'clock, and it's 7 o'clock.
7 heures.
Il est 7 heures.
Now you say, it's 7 o'clock.
Il est 7 heures.
And here is 8 o'clock and it is 8 o'clock.
8 heures.
Il est 8 heures.
And you can say, it's 8 o'clock.
Il est 8 heures.
We can also say, 8 and 8, and how much is 8 and 8?
8 et 8.
Combien font 8 et 8?
And you now ask, how much is 8 and 8?
Combien font 8 et 8?
Moving on to 9, here is, it's 9 o'clock.
9 heures.
Il est 9 heures.
And now you can say, it's 9 o'clock.
Il est 9 heures.
We can also say, 9 and 9, and how much is 9 and 9?
9 et 9.
Combien font 9 et 9?
And you ask, how much is 9 and 9?
Combien font 9 et 9?
Now 10. Here is, it's 10 o'clock.
10 heures.
Il est 10 heures.
Say, it's 10 o'clock.
Il est 10 heures.
Do you remember from lesson 7 how to say, it's 1 o'clock?
Il est 1 heure.
Now here is, it's 10 past 1.
Il est 1h10.
Say, it's 10 past 1.
Il est 1h10.
And here is, 10 to 2. And, it's 10 to 2.
2 heures moins 10.
Il est 2h moins 10.
Say, it's 10 to 2.
Il est 2h moins 10.
Here is, it's 11 o'clock.
Il est 11 heures.
You say, it's 11 o'clock.
Il est 11 heures.
And finally, here is, it's noon.
Midi.
Il est midi.
And, it's midnight.
Minuit.
Il est minuit.
You say, it's noon.
Il est midi.
And say, it's midnight.
Il est minuit.
All this talk about time reminds me that it's time to go. See you next time for lesson 9.